It's like really nicely caramelized on the outside. I think I did a pretty good job. So I was assigned to do a grilled chicken wing recipe specifically for our August issue, How to Grill Chicken. So I imagined something that's spicy, sweet, flavorful, and umami packed. Here we have some red Thai chili powder. We're gonna put about like 1 tablespoon of it, and then we're gonna do some freshly ground black pepper, and also like 1 tablespoon of the salt here as well. And that's really where the spice is coming from. So for chicken wings, pat them dry so there's no extra moisture in there. You don't want your chicken wing to be soggy. It'll help it crisp up later in the cooking process. So what I like to do is just sprinkle them all over with the dry rub. Nice and even, and don't be shy. And then I'm gonna flip them, do the same thing on the other side. And then after, rub them in so you make sure that every little bites of it has the dry rub and all of the nice flavor that comes with it. The salt will pull out some moisture in the chicken, and that will really help the chicken to crisp up when it's grilling. It's been 15 minutes. Now they are ready to be popped into the oven. I'm gonna put honey, and then we're gonna juice a whole lime in there. This is my favorite hand juicer for me as someone who's smaller to like get the most juice out of the citrus. And then fish sauce. The fish sauce is gonna bring some funkiness, a lot of umami. We're not adding extra salt into this glaze. All the saltiness, it's mostly from the fish sauce. The chili crisp. I'm using this brand called Lao Gama. It's a brand from China. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of it. You're not getting a lot of hotness from this chili crisp. It's more of adding like the texture and flavor, the umami into the glaze. And that's our glaze. So now the chicken's been cooking for about 30 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna pull it out and give it a look. You can see like there's like some fat rendering out. That's a good thing. The honey here is kind of like a glue that holds all the flavor, and it's gonna stick nicely onto our wings. The honey and like the sugar on it will help it caramelize on the outside to give it a nice crispy and also like the nice burnt sugar flavor. And that's why I'm doing it before grilling. So today we're grilling on the grill pan indoor. You want to make sure it's nice and clean and dry. And I like to get it very hot so you can get a nice char and grill mark on it. So when you're grilling the chicken, you want to space them out so they can all get like the nice area with the grill mark on them. Because we have honey in it, it can burn really fast. So you want to make sure to just give them equal amount of love. It's already cooked. So what we're looking for is just a nice grill mark on the outside. After we have that, it's done. See how like juicy and sticky. Now we have some that's done. It is very quick. When you have your pan really nice and hot, sorry guys. When you have your pan really nice and hot, it really takes like just about 2 to 5 minutes for it to finish. Now we're gonna grill some shishito pepper here. It's gonna add some brightness and freshness and crunchiness to the dish. And we're not doing anything too complicated with it today. We're just gonna char it nicely on the grill. Not very spicy, but has a little bit of heat in it. What you're looking for on the shishito pepper is a nice like blister and spots. Like this is what we're looking for. Just like nicely charred and spots. I'm just gonna put them straight onto the plate, toss them on and around the wings. And now the toppings. Chopped peanuts on the top. Nicely chopped red chili. And we're gonna do some lime wedges just around the plate. And some cilantro leaves, just scatter around is fine. I really like to see color pop on the dish because we eat it with our eyes first. And now we're gonna have a little extra drizzle of the chili crisp just to have some like extra sauciness. There you have it. This is our hot honey grilled chicken wings. Now I need to give it a try. Look at how nice, like saucy, glazy, shiny, and just flavorful it looks. Too bad you can't eat it now. It's sweet, it's spicy. I think I did a pretty good job. It is crispy on the outside of the skin. On the inside, it's really moist and juicy. And because of the dry rub, inside of it, it's like really nicely seasoned. And just with the sweetness of the outside glaze, it just comes together really nicely. It's just delicious. It's really good. I hope you give it a try. Sorry, guys.